anxiously waiting for care. But this hospital has few doctors on duty. Only emergency cases and patients admitted before the strike began on Monday get medical attention. The strike over a pay dispute with government has affected public hospitals around the country, but some patients empathize with their doctors.
The inpatients are still being taken care of, which shows that the doctors know that they have sworn the Hippocratic oath, and they know that they have to preserve life. But I believe that they've been pushed to the wall by the adamance of the government.
Under a new salary system, workers were to expect equal pay for equal work. But the doctors say their basic salary has reduced, which means a cut in their pension contributions.
Officials of this state body are being blamed for refusing to pay the shortfall between the doctor's old salary and the new one. But the labor disquiet here is heightened by the fact that last week, outgoing MPs were giving farewell pay of $100,000 each, a sum that totally eclipses what public servants are earning.
All we want is pay us the basic that we've all agreed on. We are not asking for pay increment. We are not asking for anything new. Government should respect the institutions of state and the structures as has been put in place.
But patients who can't be seen here are now being told to seek care at private hospitals around the country.
Private providers should be able to contain the situation in the interim by making sure that their facilities are able to receive all these people who need health care.
And it's not just doctors or pharmacists who are unhappy with their salaries. Teachers are singing the same chorus, putting the government in a tight spot.
The moment you go on strike, you take the matter completely out of the hands of Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, because Fair Wages does not deal with strike actions.
Since the new pay formula started 3 years ago, the government's wage bill has shot up from over $1 billion to over $4 billion. There are warnings that unless a solution is found soon, the Ghanaian economy is bound to suffer. Akwasi Sapon, BBC News, Accra.